is such an interesting language that when you want to say something, it can have many different ways to say the same thing. Here in this video, we will be mentioning some ways to say thank you in English, and they are all going to be interesting and they will definitely be able to help you. Hello guys, this is English with Hafu. Ways to say thank you. Thank you for everything. I'm so grateful for your help. You have been a great help. That's very kind of you. You are too kind. I can't thank you enough. I owe you one. Many thanks. I'm grateful. Thanks a lot. You are a lifesaver. How thoughtful of you. You are amazing. I'm so lucky to have you. This is all about ways to say thank you. So the first one, thank you for your everything, mean if somebody has helped you and support you and shown kindness. I'm so grateful for your help, and then you have been great help. That's very kind of you. Alright? So you are too kind. You are too kind. This particular phrase can be used for someone who is going to leave stone unturned to help you and support you when you require that help. Right? So I can't thank you enough. Of course, I owe you one. What's mean? I owe you one. Someone who has done something for you, and you also want to return the same favor anytime in the future. Many thanks is a slightly formal way to say thank you, and it also shows politeness. I'm grateful. It's simply going through the acceptance of kindness or favor that somebody has done for you and you are receiving it. Thank you a lot. You have received it to a particular situation. When you really needed a kind of favor, you can use this one. You are a lifesaver. I really like this one. You are a lifesaver, especially when you were in a critical situation and because of that help, you have been able to come out of the critical situation and feel relaxed now. How thoughtful of you. So, it's about appreciating someone's action, which are considering and significant.